Hello adventurer, welcome to week 129. This week we have two worksheets dedicated to decimal division type 2. You already know the difference between type 1, type 2 and type 3. Still, let's refresh. Type 1 is where the dividend as well as the divisor both are normal values. In type 2, the dividend is a normal value but the divisor is a decimal value. Not to mention, the answers in all three types, type 1, type 2 and type 3, the answers are always in decimal format with 3 decimal places. Let's look at the instructions once again. Solve up to 3 decimal places only. For example, x.xyz. You already know this, right? Okay, so this is type 2. The first question is 26 divided by 7.1. Now, where to place the dividend from in this case? Let's look at some placing rules. Number of digits in the integral part of the dividend minus the symbol and number of digits in the integral part of the divisor. So in the first question, 26 divided by 7.1, 26, the dividend has 2 digits, 2 and 6, minus the symbol and minus the integral part of the divisor. The integral part in the divisor is 7 because the divisor is 7.1. So we are not taking anything after the decimal place to consider placing the dividend from. So in this rule, 2 minus the symbol and minus 1 digit, that is 7. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we will place the dividend from rod number 0. But before that, let's look at all the placing rules. The first placing rule is number of digits in the integral part of the dividend minus the symbol and number of digits in the integral part of the divisor. Next rule, whenever there is a 0 in the dividend or the divisor, it affects the placing of the dividend. So a 0 preceding the decimal point in the dividend, not only the dividend, even in the divisor, is considered as a 0 only. Let's look at the next picture. A 0 following the decimal point in the dividend is considered minus 1. Look at this picture carefully. So a 0 following the decimal point in the dividend is considered minus 1. And if there are 2 zeros, they will be considered as minus 2. And if there are 3 zeros, they will be considered as minus 3 and so on. Now a 0 following the decimal point in the divisor is considered as plus 1. If there are 2 zeros, they will be considered as plus 2. If there are 3 zeros, plus 3 and so on. Now, refreshing the rule again, a 0 preceding the decimal point in the dividend or the divisor is considered as a 0 only. Please remember it. Let's look at the first question again. 26 divided by 7.1. The dividend 26 is a normal value with 2 digits, minus the symbol and minus 1 digit, that is 7, that is the integral part in the divisor. So 2 minus the symbol and minus the integral part of the divisor. 2 minus 2 is 0. We need to place the dividend from rod number 0 in this case. This is rod number 1, this is rod number 0, this is minus 1 as you know. So let's place the finger on rod number 0. So 26 has been placed now, divided by 7.1. Once the dividend has been placed correctly, forget the decimal format of the question and treat both the dividend and the divisor as normal values. So we have already placed the dividend from rod number 0, 26. Now this is the divisor 71. We are treating it as a normal value, not a decimal value. Now 26 divided by 71. Now the normal rules of division apply here. So I'm placing my right index finger below 2. Since 2 cannot be divided by 7, so we have to take 26 together. Now 7 3s are minus 21, finger shifted. 1 3s are minus 3, round 1 over, round 2 begins now. 47 is the value. 7 6 are 42, finger shifted. 1 6 are minus 6, round 3 begins now. 44 is the new value. 7 6 are 42, finger shifted. 1 6 are minus 6. Next round. Why? Because we haven't reached the third decimal place here, so we still have to divide 14 by 71. Now we cannot take 7 2s are 14. We will get stuck in the next step, so we are going for 7 1s are minus 7, finger shifted. 1 1s are minus 1, and let's stop here because we got our third decimal place. So the answer is 3.661. It's correct. Question number 2, 36 divided by 9.2. So 2 digits in the dividend 3 and 6 minus the symbol and minus the one place in the integral part of the divisor, that is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0. Let's begin from rod number 0 again. So I'm placing 36 here, and now I'm treating the divisor as 92, a normal value, placing it here. My finger is below 3 now. It doesn't work. Let's take 36 together. 9 3s are minus 27, finger shifted. 2 3s are minus 6. Next round, new value is 84. 9 9s are 81, finger shifted. 2 9s are 18. Next round, 12 is the new value. 9 1s are minus 9, finger shifted. 2 1s are minus 2. One more round left now. New value is 28. 9 3s are 27, finger shifted. 2 3s are 6, and the sum is over. The answer is 3.913. Question number 3, 53 divided by 2.9, placing 53 from rod number 0, and 2.9 is now treated as 29, normal value. My finger is below 5. Let's start dividing. 2 1s are minus 2, finger shifted. 9 1s are minus 9. Next round, 24 is the new value. 2 8s are 16, finger shifted. 9 8s are minus 72. New round, the value is 8 now. 2 2s are minus 4, shifted. 9 2s are 18. New round, 22 is the new value. 2 7s are 14, finger shifted. 9 7s are 63. One more round left. 2 5s are 10, shifted. 9 5s are minus 45, and our sum is over. The answer is 18.275. Question number 4, 91 divided by 8.8. Let's place 91 from rod number 0 divided by 88, because 8.8 becomes 88, and the normal rules of division apply now. My finger is below 9. 8 1s are minus 8, shifted. 8 1s are minus 8. New round. Since we cannot divide 3 by 8 and we cannot shift the finger further, so let's take 8 0s are 0, shifted. 8 0s are 0. New round, the value is 30 now. 8 3s are 24, shifted. 8 3s are minus 24. New round, 36 is the new value. 8 4s are 32, shifted 8 4s are 32. Last round, value is 8 now. Since we cannot take 8 ones are 8 because we will get stuck in the next step, so we have to go for 8 zeros are 0, shifted 8 zeros are 0, and the answer is 10.340. Question number 5, 63 divided by 4.7. 63 placed from rod number 0 divided by 47. The divisor becomes a normal value now after placing the dividend correctly. So my finger is below 6. Let's divide 6 by 4. 4 ones are minus 4, shifted 7 ones are minus 7. New round, 16 is the new value. 4 threes are 12, shifted 7 threes are 21. New round, 19 is the new value. 4 fours are 16, shifted 7 fours are 28. My finger stays here for the next round. 2 is the new value. 4 zeros are 0, shifted 7 zeros are 0. New round, 20 is the new value. 4 fours are 16, finger shifted, 7 fours are 28, and the sum is over. The answer is 13.404. Question number 6, 38 divided by 5.9. So 38 divided by 59. My finger is below 38 now. 5 6 30, finger shifted, 9 6 54. New round, 26 is the new value. 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36. New round, 24 is the new value. 5 4s are 20, shifted 9 4s are 36. Next round, 4 is the new value. We have to take a 0 now here. 5 zeros are 0, shifted 9 zeros are 0, and the answer is 6.440. Question number 7, 71 divided by 5.2. 71 divided by 52. My finger is below 7. 5 ones are minus 5, finger shifted, 2 ones are minus 2. New round, 19 is the new value. 5 threes are 15, shifted, 2 threes are minus 6. New round, 34 is the new value. 5 6 are 30, shifted, 2 6 are minus 12. New round, 28 is the new value. 5 5s are 25, shifted, 2 5s are 10. New round, 20 is the new value. 5 3s are 15, shifted, 2 3s are minus 6, and the answer is 13.653. Question number 8, 66 divided by 9.6. 66 has been placed, so 9.6 becomes 96 now. My finger is below 66. 9 6 minus 54, finger shifted, 6 6 minus 30 minus 6. New round, 84 is the value. 9 8 72, shifted, 6 8 minus 40 minus 8. New round, 72 is the value. 9 7 63, finger shifted, 6 7 42. Last round left now, 48 is the value. 9 5 45, shifted, 6 5 30, and our answer is 6.875. Question number 9, 20 divided by 9.1. So this is 20 divided by 91. My finger is below 20 now. 9 2s are 18, shifted, 1 2s are minus 2, new round, 18 is the new value, 9 1s are minus 9, shifted, 1 1s are minus 1, new round, 9 9s are 81, shifted, 1 9s are minus 9, new round, 71 is the new value, 9 7s are 63, shifted, 1 7s are minus 7, and our answer is 2.197. Question number 10, 76 divided by 4.5, 76 divided by 45, my finger is below 7, 4 1s are minus 4, shifted, 5 1s are minus 5, new round, 4 6 are 24, shifted, 5 6 are 30, new round, 4 8s are 32, shifted, 5 8s are 40, 4 8s are 32, shifted, 5 8s are 40, and finally 4 8s are 32, shifted, 5 8s are 40. Let's stop here and take the answer as 16.888. Question number 11, 53 divided by 2.1, 53 divided by 21, my finger is below 5, 2 2s are 4, shifted, 1 2s are minus 2, new value is 11 now, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5, new value is 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, new value is 8 now, 2 3s are 6, shifted, 1 3s are 3, new value is 17, 2 8s are 16, shifted, 1 8s are 8, and the answer is 25.238. Question number 12, 52 divided by 9.1. So 52 divided by 91. My finger is below 52 now. 9 5s are minus 45, shifted, 1 5s are minus 5, new value is 65 now. 9 7s are minus 63, finger shifted, 1 7s are minus 7, new number is 13 now. 9 1s are minus 9, shifted, 1 1s are minus 1, new value is 39. 9 4s are 36, shifted, 1 4s are minus 4, and the answer is 5.714. Question number 13, 24 divided by 2.3, 24 divided by 23, my finger is below 2, 2 1s are minus 2, shifted, 3 1s are minus 3, 2 zeros are 0, shifted, 3 zeros are 0, new value is 10 now, 2 4s are 8, shifted, 3 4s are 12, new number is 8, 2 3s are minus 6, shifted, 3 3s are minus 9, new value is 11 now, 2 4s are 8, shifted, 3 4s are 12, and the answer is 10.434. Question number 14, 62 divided by 4.6, 62 divided by 46, my finger is below 6, 4 1s are minus 4, 6 1s are minus 6, new value is 16, 4 3s are 12, 6 3s are 18, new value is 22 now, 4 4s are 16, shifted, 6 4s are minus 20 minus 4, new number is 36, 4 7s are 28, shifted, 6 sevens are minus 42, new number is 38, 4 eights are 32, 6 eights are 48. Let's stop here and take the answer as 13.478. Question number 15, 74 divided by 5.1, 74 divided by 51, my finger is below 7, 5 ones are minus 5, 1 ones are minus 1, 5 fours are 20, 1 fours are minus 4, 5 fives are 25, 1 fives are minus 5, 5 zeros are 0, 1 zeros are 0, new value is 50 now, 5 nines are 45, 1 nines are minus 9, and the answer is 14.509. Question number 16 is different from the previous questions because there is a 0 before the decimal point in the divisor. So as you know, a 0 before the decimal point in either the dividend or the divisor is taken as a 0 only. Alright, so 2, the dividend has a 1 digit minus the symbol and minus 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. We have to place the dividend from rod number 0 in this case. So I just placed the dividend, that is 2 divided by 10. So treating the divisor as normal value now, 2 divided by 10. Forget the decimal point and treat both the values as normal values. Now the normal rules of division apply. So we have to divide 2 by 10 after placing the dividend correctly. My finger is below 2 now. 1 2s are minus 2, shifted, 0 2s are 0. There is nothing else left to divide further. So we should take the answer as 20.000. Question number 17, 3 divided by 0.79. There is 1 digit in the dividend, that is 3, minus the symbol. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we are not taking the 0 in the divisor because a 0 before the decimal point carries no value. So in this case, 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's place 3 here, divided by 79 because I am treating both the values as normal values after the dividend has been placed correctly. So 3 divided by 79 is the question now, and the answer will flow automatically towards the decimal zone. My finger is below 3, it doesn't work. Let's take 30 together. Now 7 3s are minus 21, finger shifted, 9 3s are minus 27, 63 is the new value, 7 7s are minus 49, shifted, 9 7s are minus 63, new value is 77, 7 9s are 63, shifted, 9 9s are minus 80 minus 1, new value is 59, 7 7s are minus 49, finger shifted, 9 7s are minus 60 minus 3. Let's stop here and take the answer as 3.797. Question number 18, 5 divided by 68. I am treating both the values as normal values because I have placed the dividend correctly on rod number 0. My finger is below 5, it doesn't work. Let's take 50 together. 6 7s are minus 42, finger shifted, 8 7s are minus 56, new round, 24 is the value, 6 3s are 18, shifted, 8 3s are minus 24, new number is 36, 6 5s are 30, shifted, 8 5s are 40, new number is 20, 6 2s are 12, shifted, 8 2s are 16, and the answer is 7.352. Question number 19, 4 divided by 0.78, 4 divided by 78, my finger is below 40, 7 5s are 35, finger shifted, 8 5s are 40, new value is 10, 7 1s are minus 7, shifted, 8 1s are minus 8, new value is 22, 7 2s are 14, shifted, 8 2s are 16, new number is 64, 7 8s are 56, shifted, 8 8s are minus 64, and the answer is 5.128. Question number 20, 5 divided by 0.59 or 5 divided by 59, because I have placed the dividend correctly on rod number 0. My finger is below 50 now. 5 8s are 40, finger shifted. 9 8s are minus 70 minus 2, new round, 28 is the value. 5 4s are 20, shifted. 9 4s are 36, new number is 44. 5 7s are 35, shifted. 9 7s are 63, new round, the last round, 27 is the value. 5 4s are 20, 9 4s are 36, and the answer is 8.474. Question number 21, 3 divided by 0.48 or it becomes 3 divided by 48. My finger is below 30 now. 4 6 are 24, shifted. 8 6 are minus 40 minus 8, new value is 12. 4 2s are 8, shifted. 8 2s are 16, new number is 24. 4 5s are 20, 8 5s are 40, and our answer is 6.250. Question number 22, 6 divided by 0.72 or 6 divided by 72 after the dividend has been correctly placed here. My finger is below 60 now. 7 8s are minus 56, shifted. 2 8s are minus 16, new number is 24. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 2 3s are 6. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 2 3s are 6, again 7 3s are 21, shifted. 2 3s are 6, and the answer is 8.333. Question number 23, 2 divided by 0.68 or it becomes 2 divided by 68. My finger is below 20. 6 2s are 12, shifted. 8 2s are 16, new number is 64. 6 9s are 54, finger shifted. 8 9s are minus 70 minus 2, new number is 28. 6 4s are 24, shifted. 8 4s are 32, new value is 8, last round. 6 1s are minus 6, shifted. 8 1s are minus 8, and the answer is 2.941. Question number 24, 5 divided by 0.96 or 5 divided by 96. My finger is below 50. 9 5s are minus 45, shifted. 6 5s are 30, new number is 20. 9 2s are 18, shifted. 6 2s are 12. 9 0s are 0, shifted. 6 0s are 0, new value is 80 now, last round. 9 8s are minus 72, finger shifted. 6 8s are minus 48, and the answer is 5.208. Question number 25, 8 divided by 0.16 or 8 divided by 16 after placing the dividend correctly on the rod number 0. So my finger is below 8 now. So I cannot go for 1 8 it doesn't work because I will get stuck in the next step. So how about 1 7 no, it is not working either. So what about 1 6 no, we have to settle for 1 5 minus 5 shifted 6 5 30 and the sum is over. Our answer is 50.000. Question number 26, 5 divided by 0.76 or 5 divided by 76. My finger is below 50. 7 6 minus 42 shifted 6 6 minus 36. New number is 44. Next round. 7 5 35 shifted 6 5 30. New round. 7 7 minus 49 shifted 6 7 minus 40 minus 2. New round. 68 is the value. 7 8 minus 56 shifted 6 8 minus 40 minus 8 and the answer is 6.578. Question number 27, 5 divided by 0.78 or 5 divided by 78. My finger is below 50. 7 6 minus 42 shifted 8 6 minus 48. New number is 32. 7 4 minus 28 shifted 8 4 minus 32. New value is 8. 7 1 minus 7 shifted 8 1 minus 8. 7 0 0 shifted 8 0 0 and the answer is 6.410. Question number 28, 9 divided by 0.67 or 9 divided by 67. My finger is below 9. 6 1 minus 6 shifted 7 1 minus 7. New round. 6 3 18 shifted 7 3 minus 21. New round. 6 4 24 shifted 7 4 minus 28. New round. 6 3 18 shifted 7 3 21. Last round now. 6 2 12 shifted 7 2 14 and our answer is 13.432. Question number 29, 1 divided by 0.22 or 1 divided by 22. My finger is below 10. 2 4 8 shifted 2 4 8. 2 5 10 shifted 2 5 10. 2 4 8 shifted 2 4 8. 2 5 10 shifted 2 5 10 and our answer is 4.545. Question number 30, 5 divided by 0.81 or 5 divided by 81. My finger is below 50 now. 8 6 minus 48 shifted 1 6 minus 6. New round. 14 is the new value. 8 1 minus 8 shifted 1 1 minus 1. Next round. 59 is the new value. 8 7 56 shifted 1 7 minus 7. Last round now. 23 is the value. 8 2 16 shifted 1 2 minus 2 and the answer is 6.172. Question number 31, 15 divided by 0.73. Two digits in the dividend 1 and 5 minus the symbol and minus 0, the 0 before the decimal point in the divisor. So 2 minus 1 is 1. We have to place 15 from rod number 1 here, divided by 73 because we are treating both the values as normal values now. So the question is 15 divided by 73. Now my finger is below 15. 7 2s are 14, shifted. 3 2s are 6, new number is 4. 7 zeros are 0, shifted. 3 zeros are 0, new number is 40. 7 5s are 35, shifted. 3 5s are 15, new value is 35. 7 4s are 28, shifted. 3 4s are 12. Last round now, 58 is the value. 7 7s are minus 49, shifted. 3 7s are 21, and the answer is 20.547. Question number 32, 34 divided by 0.18, placing 34 from rod number 1, divided by 18. My finger is below 3. 1 1s are minus 1, shifted. 8 1s are minus 8, new number is 16. 1 8s are minus 8, shifted. 8 8s are minus 64, new value is 16 again. 1 8s are minus 8, shifted. 8 8s are minus 64, again 16. 1 8s are minus 8, shifted. 8 8s are minus 64, 16 again. 1 8s are minus 8, shifted. 8 8s are minus 64, and we need to get one more decimal place here, so let's divide it further. 1 8s are minus 8, shifted. 8 8s are minus 64, and we get the answer 188.888. Question number 33, 53 divided by 0.90 or 53 divided by 90. My finger is below 53. 9 5s are minus 45, shifted. 0 5s are 0, new number is 80. 9 8s are 72, finger shifted. 0 8s are 0, new value is 80 again. 9 8s are minus 72, finger shifted. 0 8s are 0, 80 again. 9 8s are minus 72, finger shifted. 0 8s are 0. Let's divide it further and get the third decimal place here. So 9 8s are 72 again, shifted. 0 8s are 0, and our answer is 58.888. Question number 34, 50 divided by 0.69 or 50 divided by 69. My finger is below 50. 6 7s are minus 42, finger shifted. 9 7s are minus 63, new number is 17. 6 2s are 12, shifted. 9 2s are minus 18, new number is 32. 6 4s are 24, shifted. 9 4s are 36, new number is 44. 6 6s are 36, finger shifted. 9 6s are 54, new number is 26. 6 3s are 18, shifted. 9 3s are 27, and our answer is 72.463. Question number 35, 65 divided by 0.42, 65 divided by 42. My finger is below 6. 4 ones are 4, shifted 2 ones are 2, new number is 23. 4 fives are 20, 2 fives are 10, new value is 20. 4 fours are 16, shifted 2 fours are 8, new number is 32. 4 sevens are 28, finger shifted, 2 sevens are 14, 26 is the new value. 4 6 are 24, shifted 2 6 are 12, new value is 8. 4 ones are minus 4, shifted 2 ones are minus 2, and the answer is 154.761. Question number 36, 26 divided by 0.56 or 26 divided by 56. My finger is below 26. 5 fours are 20, 6 fours are 24. New round, 36 is the value. 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are minus 30 minus 6. New number is 24 now. 5 fours are 20, shifted 6 fours are 24, new number is 16. 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, new number is 48. 5 eights are 40, 6 eights are minus 48, and the answer is 46.428. Question number 37, 51 divided by 0.36 or 51 divided by 36. My finger is below 5. 3 ones are minus 3, shifted 6 ones are minus 6, new number is 15. 3 fours are 12, shifted 6 fours are 24, new value is 6. 3 ones are 3, shifted 6 ones are minus 6, new number is 24. 3 6 are 18, shifted 6 6 are minus 36, new number is 24. 3 6 are 18, shifted 6 6 are minus 36, 24 is the value again. 3 6 are 18, shifted 6 6 are minus 36, and the answer is 141.666. Question number 38, 32 divided by 0.81 or 32 divided by 81. My finger is below 32. 8 threes are 24, shifted 1 threes are minus 3, new number is 77. 8 nines are 72, shifted 1 nines are minus 9, new number is 41. 8 fives are 40, shifted 1 fives are 5, new number is 5. 8 zeros are 0, shifted 1 zeros are 0, new number is 50. 8 6 are minus 48, shifted 1 6 are minus 6, and the answer gets completed on third decimal place, 39.506. Question number 39, 36 divided by 0.60 or 36 divided by 60. My finger is below 3, it doesn't work. Let's take 36 together. 6 6 are 36, finger shifted, 0 6 are 0, and our answer is 60.000. Question number 40, 88 divided by 0.54 or 88 divided by 54. My finger is below 8. 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, new round, 34 is the value. 5 6 are 30, 4 6 are 24, new number is 16. 5 twos are 10, 4 twos are 8, new number is 52. 5 9s are minus 45, shifted. 4 9s are 36, new number is 34. 5 6 are 30, 4 6 are 24, new number is 16. Last round now. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, and our answer is 162.962. Question number 41, 44 divided by 0.48 or 44 divided by 48. My finger is below 4. It doesn't work. Let's take 44 together. Now 4 9s are 36, shifted. 8 9s are 72. New number is 8. 4 1s are minus 4, shifted. 8 1s are minus 8, new number is 32. 4 6 are 24, shifted. 8 6 are minus 48. 4 6 are 24, shifted. 8 6 are 48. Again 4 6 are 24, shifted. 8 6 are minus 48, and the answer is 91.666. Question number 42, 27 divided by 0.88 or 27 divided by 88. My finger is below 27. 8 3s are 24, shifted. 8 3s are 24, new number is 6. 8 zeros are 0, shifted. 8 zeros are 0, new number is 60. 8 6 are 48, shifted. 8 6 are 48, new number is 72. 8 8s are 64, shifted. 8 8s are 64, new number is 16. 8 1s are 8, shifted. 8 1s are 8, and our answer is 30.681. Question number 43, 80 divided by 0.76. 80 divided by 76. My finger is below 8. 7 1s are 7, shifted. 6 1s are 6. We have to take a 0 here because we cannot divide 4 by 7. So 7 zeros are 0, shifted. 6 zeros are 0, new number is 40. 7 5s are 35, shifted. 6 5s are 30, new number is 20. 7 2s are 14, shifted. 6 2s are 12, new number is 48. 7 6 are 42, shifted. 6 6 are minus 36, new number is 24. Last round now. 7 3s are 21, shifted. 6 3s are 18, and our answer is 105.263. Question number 44, 12 divided by 0.97. After placing 12 correctly, it becomes 12 divided by 97. My finger is below 12 now. 9 1s are minus 9. 7 1s are minus 7. Alright. New round, 23 is the value. 9 2s are 18, shifted. 7 2s are 14. New value is 36. 9 3s are 27. 7 3s are 21. New number is 69. 9 7s are 63, shifted. 7 7s are minus 40 minus 9. Last round now. The value is 11 now. 9 1s are 9, shifted. 7 1s are 7, and the answer is 12.371. Last question of this worksheet, 33 divided by 0.30 or 33 divided by 30. My finger is below 3. 3 1s are 3, shifted. 0 ones are 0, new round, 3 ones are 3, shifted, 0 ones are 0. So our answer is 110.000.